One of the wonderful things about experiencing things in life is you can, as you get older, you can evaluate when you were at your best. If you've only done one thing all of your life, you don't have the experience to say, I was in a better place when I took action in exercising and jogging. If you've never had a phase in life where you were associated heavily with other successful entrepreneurs or other like-minded individuals, you won't know what it's like. You won't be able to compare what that moment was like. I think experience matters, especially. I believe it'll happen automatically, but when you go in with an open mind of what can I learn from what I'm experiencing right now, good, bad, whatever, however you classify it, go into it with the mentality of I want to learn, and everything in life becomes a lot better. For me, myself, I started that mentality later on in my journey. In previous jobs that I had, I would say from the first quarter of my life, the second quarter, because first, I don't fucking know, but the first quarter of work, I would go into it, I believe just because I had to, I felt as if I had to, never with the purpose of ever applying for a job that I actually wanted, or worse yet, not going into the job with the mentality of what could I learn from that job? How could it help me in the future? It was always to take care of what I wanted to at that moment, what I wanted to buy, consumer mentality, versus having a future mentality, thinking about preparing yourself, positioning yourself for what is it that you want to do long term. Oh, I'm going to be in business, but I can't right now. I have to work at XYZ. Let me start developing my communication skills. Let me start developing my relational skills, my marketing skills. Let me learn what this company does from a marketing point of view. Let me pay attention to the managers and see how they communicate with the staff. What are they focused on? What do they do? If you're mad at your job, you ain't learning. You're trying to get out. You're trying to smoke the blunt. Sad. And I get it. If there's one thing you can learn from my ridiculousness, is learn from everything. And how you do it is by asking yourself those questions. What could I learn from this experience, from this job? Also, knowing what you want long term. And not specifically, it doesn't have to be so detailed and specific. Just have an idea of the path you'd like to take. And you know what it is. Don't be afraid of that. Don't let doubt trick you into thinking that's not what it is. Don't allow your lack of skill set that has developed, the lack of skill set that you have in that space to trick you into thinking that's not what it is. You know what it is. Believe in you.